Pakistan has two seasons, winter and punishment. I swear it gets so hot, and I'm not talking about being regular hot, I'm talking about being baked alive in an oven hot. Not exaggerating, I hate summer. Every summer I feel like the heat gets the best of me, and I have evidence. Exhibit A, my SATs. So if you've ever given your SATs, you know it's already a horrible experience. बड़ा प्रेशर होता है और ऊपर से मेरे SATs थे भी गर्मियों में. तो सीन ये हुआ कि जब आप SATs देने जाते हो आपको अंदर मोबाइल या कोई चीज़ नहीं लेके जाने देते. स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर. तो मैं अपना मोबाइल गाड़ी में रख गया, बट आई डोंट वांट टू लीव इट ऑन द सीट कि कोई देख ले और गाड़ी की शीशे तोड़ के मोबाइल छीन ले, यू नो. तो मैंने अपनी तरफ से अक्लमंदी रख के डैशबोर्ड में रख दिया. मसला ये हुआ कि जब मैं बाहर पेपर देकर आया तो यू नो जब गर्मी में आप गाड़ी खोलते हो तो इट्स लाइक सो हॉट. लाइक आई हैव नो अदर वे टू डिस्क्राइब इट other than calling it a Satan's fart. It's that hot. But सीन ये हुआ कि जब मैंने अपना मोबाइल फाइनली निकाला डैशबोर्ड से, वो इतना गर्म था कि there was this warning sign that I had never seen before. तो पेपर गंदा हुआ, गर्मी भी बहुत थी और मुझे इस गर्मी में सफर करना था बगैर कोई गानों के. तो it was a horrible experience. Summer 1, me 0. Exhibit B. The next one, I'm not even ashamed of. So one morning, I had to go to college. I did the normal routine. I woke up, had breakfast, got fully dressed. हमारा यूनिफॉर्म था, bag packed and ready to go. मैंने जैसे ही दरवाजा खोला, I was like, nope, that's it. That was the entire decision making process. मैं एक सेकंड बाहर रहा और गर्मी का ऐसा झोंका मुझे मिला. I was like, you know what? I don't need to graduate, and I'm not even kidding. मैंने बाहर कदम भी नहीं रखा दरवाजे से और मैं वापस अंदर आया. I changed into my pajamas और मैंने बैठ के फिर मॉडर्न फैमिली देखा because I'm not dealing with that heat. And I want to be clear, I do not regret this. I would do it again. I will do it again. मैं इतनी गर्मी में I cannot travel. I did have to suffer the consequences of not getting a good grade. But you know what? I survived the heat, so that's still a win. You know, you lose some, you win some. Anyway, summer 2, me still 0. Exhibit C. Okay, this is the last one which I do feel actually bad about. So when I was little, I got my first cat. She was everything. I was obsessed, you know, as most cats are. So one time our family had to go to stay over at a relative's place. And I did not want to leave the cat behind alone. So we took her with us. On the way to the relative's place, we had to stop at our dad's friend's house. जब हम लोग वहाँ पे उतरे तो my dad was like, you know what, take the cat out of the car. And I said no because in my head, what if she runs away? What if she escapes and we never find her? I was trying to protect her, so I just want that on record. Okay, we were inside for about an hour, and when we came back to the car, she was panting like a dog. She had her tongue out and she was breathing so much. In the summer heat, locked in the car for an hour, my cat, my first cat, and she was not breathing properly. I honestly started crying and got so anxious, like what the hell did I do? And I felt so guilty. We rushed home as soon as we could. I gave her water, we turned on the AC to, you know, calm her down, and thank God she was okay. She was completely fine. But I think about that every single summer. Every time I open up a car door and get blasted with the Satan's fart, I think about the cat and how she had to, you know, stay in the car. And that day the summer nearly won, honestly. But thank God we got to the car early, because if the cat wouldn't have survived, I would have been so guilty my entire life. And you know what? I'll give summer 2 and the cat 1. So yeah, these were the evidence that the summer gets the best of me every time. हर साल गर्मी आती है और हर साल I'm like, how am I going to survive this? But you know what? We always do end up surviving. So stay hydrated, and this is all for today. Till next time, have a good day, good luck, and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.